If you suffer from high energy bills or very high temperatures inside of the property, it might be a good time to replace the roof. My name is Roy. I'm a project manager for Top Roofing. We're doing residential houses, commercial roofing, shingles, flat roofs, porch down applications. An old roof will cause high energy bills because the solar from the suns are hitting the roof. And since it's very old, the roof is not able to reflect these rays from the sun, and that's why it's causing your attic space to get very, very hot. The house getting very hot as well, and therefore you'll need to use a lot more energy to cool down the house. With the new technology, you have special granules inside of the shingles that really reflect the heat away from the house. The three main advantages for a homeowner to replace his roof is: one, making sure that the property is waterproof. Second, with the new technology that we have today in the market, you'll be sure to lower your energy bill. The third advantage is increasing the value of the house. So it's going to be a really good selling point in the future. Most of our clients know that it's time to replace the roof only when they already have a leak. So you usually want to prevent this kind of situation. We can always come to the property. It's a free estimate. It doesn't require you to pay anything out of the pocket. You're going to get a full detailed estimates with details of what you need to do and what kind of material you need to use to replace your roof. Top Roofing is a licensed, bonded, and insured contractor. We're servicing the LA area for more than 20 years now. We are a family-owned business and we have really good reviews online, Yelp, Google, and Angie's List. Our crews are fast, efficient, clean, and professional, and we will do our best to give you the best experience of replacing your property's roof. So if you want to reduce your energy bills, make your house waterproof, or increase the value of your property, leave your contact info below and the office will give you a call to schedule an appointment with me or one of the other representatives that we have in the company. We will come over to your property to inspect the roof. We will talk about the options that are right for you and for your property.